And we are back for our chili harvest today. Lots of chilies. These are the dark green. Then we have the light green ones here. And on the terrace we have orange and ornamental ones. Loads of chilies all entangled here and there. So here it is. Lots of dark green chilies. And now for the light green ones. The dark green ones are the ones which are spicy, and light green ones are medium spicy. And this specific tree is a white chili plant. So all the chilies are going to be white like this. And this is another one full of chilies. Our third plant. Wow, look at this lot of chilies. Nice lot. A good tip is to prune it just after harvesting. Harvest of chilies is going good. This is the 4th time now we've harvested from this. So this is the final harvest. Lots of chilies. Thank you.